In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the GoodNovel mod menu for free, fully working on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this method unlocks all GoodNovel hacks, including unlimited coins and several additional features available across both platforms. You'll notice a full list of options here: unlimited coins, premium unlocks, and much more. Before we get started, make sure your GoodNovel app is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready for the next step. Now, all you need to do is scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've added the exact link and instructions there so you can download GoodNovel++ safely and easily. Once you've completed the steps, come back and let me know in the comments if this method worked for you. And don't forget to drop a like, it really helps the video reach more people and boosts the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!